Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Motion Ninja. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Motion Ninja and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Motion Ninja and you will click here. In this page of app or in this page of Play Store here, you will update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget